Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I know we're in like a different scenery and I know I look rough as fuck. Like I literally don't have any kind of makeup on whatsoever. I woke up not too long ago. I lied. I woke up at like 10. It is now 1:37 on a random Wednesday and I've literally been in bed since I woke up editing my video on my laptop. And I was just thinking, I'm like, today I need to pamper myself. I feel like I haven't been doing that. So I got up out of bed and I put these eye masks on. These are the Pixie Depuffing eye patches. I'll show you them later. I came right back into bed and it just sparked. I was like, I can do a self-care pamper routine like what I usually do on days like this where I feel like I just need to take time out for myself. That's what we're going to be doing today in this video. I know I look really rough. I'm well aware of that, like so weird. So that's why today we're gonna go ahead and just feel good about ourselves because we all deserve that. And plus it's 2020. We need to start the year off right and it's all about ourselves in 2020. 2020 is gonna be very personal, okay? My room is a mess. Like if I can show you guys, I literally have this random table in my room, the ring light. I have like packages, cups, like I need to change my bed sheet. My vanity is a mess. I got food right there. It's really bad. Usually in the morning I get up and I make coffee. This morning I didn't even do that. I just felt like complete trash, like girl, trash. It really just keeps me energized. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get some coffee. Guys, so we are done cleaning my room and this is how it came out. Just very simple how I regularly clean my room. A lot of you guys always ask where my vanity mirror is from, and it's from the vanity plug. If you haven't seen my redoing my room video, I'll link it up here so that you guys can click on it and see it. And in that video I literally list and just say where I got everything from. This right here is a PR box from ColourPop. I love their packaging. This is the highlighter that they just dropped, and they also came out with the nude mood palette, which is just like regular browns and stuff. And then they also sent over just like a lip trio, I believe. So shout out to ColourPop for always hooking a girl up. Even though I cleaned my room, the floor is still super dirty, and I'm gonna start out by, of course, vacuuming. This is a Bagot's vacuum cleaner. I really hope that I'm saying this right, and no, this is not sponsored. I'm not paid to do this video, but they were nice enough to go ahead and send over this vacuum cleaner. What's so freaking cool is that it works with Wi-Fi, and it's also voice control. I'm that lazy person, but I still love to keep everything really clean. So, and if you guys are interested in this specific one, this model is the BG800. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Dude. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it comes with a manual, which is perfect because I have no idea how to use one of these. So this does work with the app. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app right now. The app is available on Google Play Store and the App Store. It comes with parts that I have to, I guess, attach. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna take all of this out. 2 batteries, a remote. This is so cute. So I'm here reading the manual, and it's so cool because it has this thing right here, which is called the boundary strip, and I can put this anywhere around my room where I don't want the vacuum to go, and the vacuum won't go there because this strip is there. Go ahead and like plug this in because it says to ensure that it has like enough battery. You want to plug it in before using. So I downloaded the app, which was super easy. All I did was basically create an account, and it just targeted where I'm at so that I can add a device. It's so freaking cool because you can use this vacuum with an Alexa or a Google Home if you have one. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Wi-Fi password, and now it's connecting, so we shall wait. I just connected the power source. Device added successfully. Now I'm just gonna press play. Get out. So now we're gonna go ahead and just try the remote. I put the batteries in that came with the robot, and it automatically turned on. Now I'm gonna press play. Lit. I see that here you could put a timer on it. We're gonna press this. Okay, so that changed up the speed. I'm so blessed that I can even have something like that sent to me, like, and my boyfriend calls me. I'm just gonna put this where I have blackheads at right now, which is just on my chin and on my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go take a bubble bath, and then after shower and stuff, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's go. As you guys seen, I went ahead and just flat ironed my hair. I feel best when I flat iron my hair and my hair is did, and I also don't have to do it later when I decide to film like a makeup tutorial or something. So that's why I always like to just do my hair as soon as I wash it, and plus it's really fresh, so it falls nice. I am planning on doing, that's literally my mom speaking to her birds. So I am planning on doing like a whole full dedicated video on how I straighten my hair, like how I keep it just sleek, healthy, and how I protect it. And it's a lot that I do, not really, but it is worth a video since you guys are always asking for it. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna work for a bit. I have to edit a couple of things and answer a couple of emails and just do a lot of replying. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do for this time being until the food is done, and then I'll just eat my food, watch a show, and you guys will see the whole process. So yeah.